So I present to you Apex Estates today. The beacons are all on ground, like you can see, properly labeled and ready for you to start building. And this place sits on a very beautiful hilltop view of Enugu Onitsha Expressway in a layout called Coal City View layout. You can see construction work is going on and this place is ready for you to come take possession. Apex is about between 8 to 10 minutes drive from GRA, between 8 to 10 minutes drive from Gulf Estate, and is right here very close to the road. That's the third road right there. This estate is currently selling for just 12 million naira and is a fully serviced estate. It comes with a C of O, and like you can see, the environment is a fast developing place. So if you're looking for a place that is not very expensive but is fast developing and promises a very good residential environment, then this is the right place for you. Perimeter fencing is currently going on. All the beacons are on ground and labeled appropriately for you. This estate doesn't have a lot of plots, barely 27 plots in all right? And people are fast taking up plots. So you want to call me today on 08096737668 to book your plot right here in Apex Estate. Again, it is on a government approved layout, Coal City View layout, and it comes with a C of O, so it's verifiable, it's searchable, and it is a fully serviced property. What that means is that every amenity and estate we have, this place will have it. So call me today and book your inspection. Thank you.